Why tea shop, Amazon, and Reliance are called businesses. Today I explain business and business form and theory of form in the easiest way with real life examples. Business means, what is business? Solving people's problems with earning profit. So that is called business. Here, real time applications are, imagine you open a juice shop. Customers all feel thirsty. You prepare the fresh juice, and customers buy it, and you can earn profit. So that's called business. Okay. Characteristics of business. Here, four types of characteristics are there: organized activity and production and distribution of goods and services, satisfying needs and wants, profit motive. So first, organized activity means it is everything is planned. Like a real example, restaurant. In the restaurant, we are planned chef, cashier, waiter, manager. So everyone has a job. Okay. Next one is production and distribution of goods and services. Like production means making, distribution means delivery. So with real time examples, I will explain with the if you think Amul milk. Milk collection. When you are collect the milk and factory makes butter and deliver to the supermarkets and customers buys. Okay. Here, production means making milk and it deliver to the milk to the customers. Okay. Satisfactory needs means business solves problems. How to solve our problems? A real example, like I'm hungry, so I go to restaurant. When I need internet, I go to Jio. When I need phone, I go to phone shop, Samsung or anything. Okay. Profit motive means without profit, business cannot be survived. So profit motive is the main theme of any business. Like the tea cost is 10 rupees and you sell the tea is 12 rupees. So the profit has 2 rupees. You got 2 rupees of profit. So these are the characteristics of business. So the next topic is structure of business form. Business form means, first understood, form. Form means one person can build iPhone. No. Why? Because of different people do different jobs, like engineers and designers, making team and managers, finance team, all together to form a business form. Okay. So business form is an organization where people work together to produce goods and services. Okay. Here the three types of forms are there. So the consumer means like people like you and me. So these are the consumers, means we are buying mobile phone. Examples are, we are buying mobile phone, real time applications like clothes, any biscuits or anything. And other forms means companies also buy from another company. For example, laptop company buys processors from another company. Here we need, if you imagine, we are taking laptop company and they are buys a processors. We need processors now, so that type of processor are from another company. Okay. The government also buys product too. So government buys computers for schools, and government buys buses and medical medicines for hospitals also. Okay. Types of entities or structure of business form. Here majorly three types of entities are there. So sole proprietorship, partnership and company. In company has again considered as two types: a private limited company and public limited company. Here first of all we discuss about sole proprietorship. How to introduce this? First, this is, sole means single. Okay. One member can capital only. It is as considered as unlimited liability. Okay. And less legal formalities and single ownership, like we are taking any pawn shop, tailor shop or medicine. Okay. That type of only single shop, single member can work. Okay. These are the no sharing and profit losses. Okay. Because of sole proprietorship. Next is, these advantages are easy to formation and direct implement and quick decisions are taken, and direct contract with the business owner. Okay. And disadvantages are limited resources and not suitable for large scale operations. This is not suitable for large scale operations. Okay. Next one is partnership. Partnership means two or more persons are doing business. Okay. Here partnership means two or more persons are doing business. Means two friends open a restaurant. Friend A is invest 5 lakhs and friend B is invest 5 lakhs. So total investment is 10 lakhs. So profit of loss or shares, loss or any gain of profit, they are sharing both. Okay. So two persons doing business. Two persons like mentioned area, business exist, name of company, name of contracts also. So banking sector also 10 members. In non-banking sector here 20 members are there. Okay. The main features is multiple persons are there. Okay. And it has a faith and honest and unlimited liability responsibility. Okay. And restrictions to transfer the shares. Here some restrictions are there. Okay, advantages are there. Easy to formation and registration is not compulsory because of partnership. No, so not necessary to registration. And sharing risk, flexibility. Disadvantages are limited capital and unlimited liability. Quick decisions are making. Next one is company. Company means a company has many owners. It's called shareholders. Okay, in the company many owners are there, so it is called shareholders, like Infosys, Reliance. So this is a major advantage is large investment, limited liability. Okay, business contains even one owner leaves. Okay, when one owner as leaves, business is continuous. Okay, here majorly two types are there: private limited company and public limited company. Private limited company means shares shares are owned by only a small group, like a startup. Like a real time example, a startup with few founders. Okay, next public limited means anyone can buy shares. Here anyone can buy shares, this is. And from stock market, and like Reliance Industries, Tata Motors. Okay, these are the main features of structure of firms. Okay, next theory of firm. Theory of firm means, what is theory of firm? Imagine, why won't we all make everything ourselves? Because it's impossible. Imagine you making a smartphone. Okay, you need engineers, software developer, and camera aspect, battery designers, and marketing team, sales teams, finance teams. So one person cannot do all these jobs. So why we are forms exist? So this is a main motive of forms are exist. So here main four types of that. Why forms exist means to make the work easier through the teamwork, like building a house. In the building a house, we need engineer, electrician, painter, plumber, and carpenter also. So together they finish faster and better. To they are work together. They are making building faster. Okay. Form behavior means how does the company decided how much product, how much to produce, what price to change, and how many employees to hire. So these decisions are called form behavior. Okay. For example, Samsung is decided to the price of its new smartphone. Okay. Form structure means who reports to whom, like a CEO to manager, manager to team leader, team leader to employees. Like his these are called form structure. And next, relation to the market, like companies must change according to customer demand. Okay, the example, people wants to 4G. Okay, the Geo launched 4G. Next, people wants to AI phones. Companies are launched AI smartphones. So these are the customer demand changes. So the business also changing. So these are the relation to the marketing. Okay. Next, the Q aspects of theory of firm. So profit maximization. Profit maximization means revenue minus cost. Like sales means, for example, you sell 10 lakhs and expenses has 7 lakhs. Profit has 3 lakhs. So this is a profit. Next, the modern perspectives means today's business won't focus only on profit. They also focus on behavior, such a growth, and risk management, social responsibilities also. Next one is transaction cost economics, like business try to reduce extra cost. Like a bakery makes a own bread instead of buying from another bakery every day. So this saves time, transportation cost, and money also. Okay. Next, agency theory. Agency theory means owners and managers should work towards the same goal. Okay. For example, a owner wants to high profit and a manager wants to better performance and bonus also. So a good company agents both goals together to rewards and performance and their interest. So they are working together. So these are the key aspects of a theory of firms. Okay.